If you still spend hours animating a single image just to make it move slightly, here's some good news for you. This motion graphics AI agent can turn any static image into smooth, professional animations like these in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own motion graphic AI agent step by step using n8n. You just upload an image, describe the kind of motion you want, select the aspect ratio, and the workflow creates a clean, polished animation ready for presentations, campaigns, or even social media. The result looks refined, consistent, and dynamic as if a motion designer worked on it for hours. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes to set up. So guys, I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. I'll show you how to access the workflow and set it up step by step. To do that, first we need to get the n8n hosting. We are going to purchase n8n from WebSpaceKit, where we get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. Since n8n is open source, you get so much more benefits when you host it on your own on a platform like WebSpaceKit. So to host n8n on WebSpaceKit, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Scroll down, now click here. Here choose how long you want the hosting for. Then fill in these details. Here enter your payment details and click checkout. Now click here and you can see that we have successfully got the n8n hosting. So once you've got the hosting, next we need to set up the n8n automation. To do that, just scroll down, click on go to setup, fill in these details, click next, and it'll take you to this page. Now this is the place where we are going to create the workflow. You can create a workflow from scratch, but it takes a lot of time. So to make things easier, we've already created a workflow template and it is available on WebSpaceKit for free. So to get the template, go back to WebSpaceKit, scroll down, and here you'll find different workflow templates for various AI agents. Since we are creating a motion graphics AI agent, let's select that and click download. Perfect. The template has been downloaded to our computer. Now we need to import this workflow into our n8n account. So let's go back to n8n. Then click here. Select import from file and upload the main workflow file you just downloaded. And as you can see here, we've got a workflow. Now just rename it as Motion Graphics AI Agent and click Save. Alright, we have successfully imported our template and now we are ready to configure the nodes and connect the required API services to our workflow. So to create our Motion Graphics AI Agent, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to connect Dropbox to n8n. Dropbox is used as a storage where we'll upload our images. Once uploaded, a direct link of the image will be created that will be used to generate the output video. So to connect Dropbox to n8n, open the upload file node, click here, select create new credentials, and here we need to enter our API key. To get the Dropbox API keys, open a new tab, search for dropbox.com. Now click on get started, scroll down, click get basic, and sign in with your Google account. Now click here and replace home with developers. Click create app, select these 2 options and enter a name for your app and click create app. Once the app is created, go to permissions, select the required permissions one by one as I do, and click submit. Now go to settings, here click generate, and as you can see, we've got the API key that we needed. So let's copy it, go back to n8n, paste it here, and click save. Next, we need to paste this API key in these HTTPS request nodes as well. So first let's open this node. and replace this placeholder with this API key. Alright, we have successfully connected Dropbox to our n8n workflow. So next, let's go to step 2, which is to connect Wavespeed AI to n8n. Wavespeed AI is the tool that actually generates the motion visuals for our image. So to connect Wavespeed AI to n8n, open this node. And here we need to enter our API key. So to get the API key, click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Now click here and sign in with your Google account. Then click here, go to billing. To use Wavespeed API, we need to add some credits. So let's select the plan that best suits our need. Click here, fill in your card details and complete the payment. Once it is done, click here again, go to API keys. Here enter your name for the key and click create. And as you can see, we've got the API key. So let's copy it, go back to n8n and paste it here. Now go to canvas and paste the same API key in these 3 nodes as well. Just open them one by one and replace this placeholder with the API key. Once that is done, Wavespeed AI will be successfully connected to n8n. Alright, let's go to the third step, which is to connect OpenAI to n8n. OpenAI will analyze our image and generate prompts for the animation video. So to connect OpenAI to n8n, open this node, click here, select create new credentials, and this is where we need to enter our API key. So to get the API key, just click the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Now go to API keys, click create new secret key. Here give a name for your key and click create secret key. And as you can see, we now have our API key. But keep in mind, you'll only be able to get an API key from OpenAI if you've added a payment method first. Now let's copy this key, paste it in n8n and click save. Since we have one more OpenAI node to configure, just open it and it will be configured automatically. Great, we are now successfully connected OpenAI to n8n, so just click on save to store your workflow. So now we have connected all the required API services with the n8n workflow and it's ready to run. Just click execute workflow and you will see this form appear. Here upload the image you want to add the graphic animation to. Describe the kind of animation you want. Choose the aspect ratio and click submit. You can see that the workflow is running in the background, and once it is finished, open this node, select this link, right click and select this option. As you can see, the video is downloaded. So let's see how it turned out. Pretty impressive, right? The animation is clean, detailed, and very smooth. It really brings the idea to life and makes the overall visual feel polished and professional. You can use these outputs for client presentations, pitch decks, demos, or any project where you want to show concepts in a more engaging way. That's it, guys. Your n8n automation is ready, and if you found this helpful, do give it a like and subscribe to Website Learners for more quick tutorials like this one. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.